In this video, we are going to see how we can remember the strings that we have made for edges and corners. So we know in the last videos we have learned that we have to create a lettered string of both edges and corners. Lettered string means that where this piece will go, and then where this piece will go, then where this piece will go. So a string of letters will be made. So we can look at those letters and solve the cube, but for solving it blindfolded we have to remember those letters. So those strings can have 2 to 13 or 14 letters. So how do we remember those letters while solving, so that we don't have to open our eyes and we can solve it blindfolded completely? So to remember it, so let's suppose our string is MD, AU, ST, CN, RP and CL. So what we can do is we can break that string into a pair of two. So I will get 6 pairs. So right now we are taking a case in which we have 12 letters. So that will be 6 pairs. So for 6 pairs, for every pair we will try to imagine a name or a personality or a country or something which we can remember. For example, so the first pair is MD. For MD, we can, so I can imagine, okay, MD can be Modi. You can say MD, anything that you can think of while using the word MD. Then we go to AU. So AU is Australia. I can think of Australia. So I have made these pictures in my mind. So MD, AU, then ST for shirt. I said, then CN. I said Corona. It can be anything. You can also call it China, Corona, anything. CN. And then the next is RP. So for RP, I can remember it as a rep. DL, dollars, or it can be driving license, anything that you can think of, which is the easiest thing you can think of using those letters, and then create a picture of that in your mind and visualize this. So try to do all these things with your eyes closed. So start from the first two pair and then imagine the picture and then keep it like this. So just like the picture which you can see on the screen right now, keep it like that only, so that all the pictures are fitting. It's like a collage in front of you. When you close your eyes, you can visualize that collage. So we will make two collage like this, one for corners and one for edges, and so we will be remembering the complete string with this collage. Now even sometimes with this collage also we can forget few things while practicing, forget few letters. Sometimes we, when we are making the string or when we are visualizing it, we remember, but when we are solving it we forgot few things. So for that we can create a small story also connecting with these pictures. So for example, in this case right now, so I can say Prime Minister Modi in 2019 went to Australia. So connecting all the letters, all these pictures, try to create a story. So Prime Minister Modi in 19 or 2019 went to Australia, and it was only the first time when he bought a shirt there and wore it. Neither in his life he wore a shirt, he only wore other clothes but not shirt. And then after that, next year we had Corona. And when the Corona came, Prime Minister Modi wrote a rap, about what is Corona and how we can defeat it. And that rap was hugely famous, and it sold for millions of dollars. So see how I have connected all the letters and created a story. So now I can remember the complete story with my eyes closed, and so that I can remember the letters also now. So you have to create two stories with the letters, one for corners, one for edges, and this is how we can easily remember the lettered strings that we have created. So whenever with your eyes closed you forget, you just go to that picture that you have created and that story. With that story you can always find out the letters which are there. If your visual memory is very good, you don't even need the story. Otherwise, make a story and then you will remember the complete string.